Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce legibility improvements to PDF report output generated by Qlik Sense and the Qlik Reporting Service, available working within Qlik Application Automation. Qlik Sense Themes used within a Qlik Sense app are now supported with the reporting service output, delivering a customizable and consistent look and feel across distributed reports. We have also increased the resolution to 300 dpi, offering a significant improvement with text and visuals when zooming into your PDF report output. In addition, report output will be consistent across sheets that are configured as responsive, extended, or custom, using appropriate pixel resolutions for landscape and portrait layouts. When manually downloading sheets and charts as PDF documents, you will notice that we have standardized on the A4 page size dimension, with options to choose portrait or landscape along with 3 different scale options: fill, fit to page, and fixed to page. Each setting can be used to optimize PDF report output for different device screen sizes, chart proportions, and reduction in white space. Please refer to our Qlik Help documentation for additional detail on these settings. And that is your SaaS in 60.